I have made this project of this name is hydraulic. The it name is JCB arm. It work just like first I am push. इसको जैसे ही हम लोग पुश करते हैं ये ऊपर उठता है और ये जैसे इसको हम पुश करते हैं इसको पुल करते हैं ये बाइंड होता है पुश करते हैं ये भी बाइंड होता है और ये हम लोग को से इसको पुश की और ये यहाँ पे जो ये इसका इंजेक्शन इसमें
This exact pressure.
इस एग्जैक्ट प्रेशर
Pressure travel by.
pressure travel by pipe. Pipe is filled with liquid.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay. Yes.
And I have made a hydraulic robotic arm. It can hold something and it moves just like a JCB arm. From here it can hold something. It works by the help of hydraulic pressure. The pressure exerted by this rate makes this robot move.
Okay. So working. शुरुआत से वर्किंग दिखाइए. कंप्लीट वर्किंग. सो yes. Good. Okay. Okay, again.
My name is Rani Kumari of Standard 8 in Ujjain Public Schools. I have make a hydraulic base just like this. So press the injections and rise the breeze and equal form and go inside the board.
Okay. Okay.
My name is Nanda Kumari. I read in class 8. So today I am telling about my project. My project name is hydraulic lift. First we record press the steering. Steering was part of water medical pipe help of.
What have you made this? This is a home. बाढ़ आ जाने के बाद उठाया जाता है. वर्किंग दिखाइए. शो मी वर्किंग. वेरी गुड. और अगर ये बाढ़ ख़त्म हो जाए तो सो द सेम वर्किंग. ठीक है. वेरी गुड. दैट्स वेरी गुड. ओके गो.
My name is Piyush Kumar. I am studying in class 8 in Ujjain Public School. I am making a project with hydraulic pressure.
This is यह एक बैग बनाया है. इससे हम लोग कुछ वस्तु को लेकर चलते हैं दूसरी जगह. इससे हम उठा देते हैं. यह देखिए हमारे हम डाउन करते हैं. इससे हम इसमें प्रेशर लगा रहे हैं. इंजेक्शन से जिसे हम बनाया कार्टून से लेकर चल रहे हैं.
ये पूरा का इट्स कम्प्लीटली मेड बाय कार्टून एंड ओनली पेपर्स. ओके. सो how much days you have taken to complete this? 6 days to complete this. Very good. Okay. And what is your name?
My name is Sailesh Ranjan. I read in class 8. My school name is Ujjain Public School.
Yes. What have you made this? What is this?
This is car washing tool.
Okay.
Car is holding in this place
Place at this place. Okay.
and up the car and wash the
Inside body.
inside the.
Okay. Okay. Very good.
Kumar, I did in class 8. I made by this project. This name is crane.
This is what?
Crane.
Crane.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the working?
Raising the any car, any material.
Okay. Like this. Okay. Work again. Okay. This can lift anything. Okay, and this is for tightening, right?
Yes.
This will tight. Okay, and the if we have to down this, then you push like this. Okay, very good. What is the mechanism inside this?
Press the injection.
Okay,
And
that create a force
yes.
which is converted as a pressure energy,
Yes.
and then it will lift up. Okay, so you have fixed in a syringe also inside it, this like
Toothpick and syringe.
toothpick and syringe. Very good. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
My name is Neeraj Kumari of Standard 8 and student public school. I am going to a hydraulic lift. The
Okay.
first line is a hydraulic lift and pool is a hydraulic lift is a rising.
When you pull here, the hydraulic rise up. Okay,
Yes.
and when you will push, then what happen? Then hydraulic lift becomes down, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how you have made this? Only papers.
Yes, sir. Paper.
And this is the tube of saline tube, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and this is syringe. This create pressure like this.
Yes,
This is
sir.
create pressure, and then this becomes upward. Okay.